XRP, Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, they are down, and this is part of what happens in the crypto space. And if you bought these things when they were high up, welcome to the kitchen where you're going to be roasted and you're going to be burned. And this is what you signed up for coming into the crypto space. Whether you know it or you are not fully aware, this is part of the journey. Welcome guys to the video. This is your boy Crypto Ray, and today in this video we are going to be discussing what is happening right now in the crypto market. And today is one of the bloody days that you are going to be experiencing in the crypto market. And this is something that happens every single time, especially getting towards the December period. We've seen this in 2021, we've also seen this in 2017, and this is how the market usually moves. So welcome to this type of correction. Now let's take a close look at XRP here, because I actually talk about XRP more on this channel. You can see it has broken our support level here. It has also broken the second support level, and it is even going to break the third support level. So you can see from the direction of this market, we are actually on a downtrend. Now this can mean two things. It could mean that we are going to still go up, like this is just a correction that is happening in the market, but no one knows actually what is going to happen. So you have the option to do what we call DCA, dollar cost average. You can keep buying, you know, when the price is actually down, so you are having an opportunity to buy in at a lower price. But you could also be wrong, and this market can keep tanking and you are likely to lose money. But at the same time, you also have the opportunity to make money. So that is the ups and downs of the crypto market. So right here you can see the liquidation heat map, and you can see that a lot of money has been liquidated in the last 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours, 508,160 traders were liquidated. That is a huge amount of traders being liquidated, and over 1.5 billion dollars, the beef, $1.5 billion were liquidated in the past 24 hours. So this is quite massive. So only Ethereum alone is about $229 million, and you can see for long it's about 229 million for long. And right here Doge is following with 88 million dollars, and XRP with 67 million dollars. So that is to tell you that all eyes were actually on Ethereum, because we believed that we're already in the hot season. And like I said in my previous video, once we're in hot season, Ethereum usually leads the way. So many persons were already thinking that we've shifted from BTC and then we're now moving into Ethereum. So they were expecting Ethereum to do massively, because if you remember, Ethereum moved all the way from $3,800 to about $4,000 last week. So it hit 4,000 last week, all-time high last week. And so there were a lot of interest. So many traders went on to long Ethereum, but unfortunately the exchanges and the market makers, maybe they are wiser and they know how to take out some of this, you know, shake out some people out of the market. And you can see a whooping amount of money that were liquidated within the past 24 hours. So same with XRP over here. So you can see we hit almost $2.9 when it was rallying for the all-time high. And hopefully, I was thinking that this was going to be, you know, the support line, right, for 2.48. It came down, hit that support line, broke it, and still went down again to hit the second support line. So you can see that it was trying to hold it over here as a resistance, but it could not break it. And then look at this move here. Look at this move. Sometimes the type of volatility that happens with XRP, you might think it is like a rug pull. Like I've been taken out of trades on XRP and it happened just before my eyes, and it was like movie, like it happened so fast. So you can see this type of move here. you can see that it's just like trying to take out the longs out here, right? So those people who are shorting, of course, they're going to make money as well while this is ongoing, right? So that is the complexity of the crypto space. But don't worry, we still believe that we are still in the bull run, okay? So from this analysis, you can see that we are still in extreme greed. Like the greed index, fear and greed index is still around 78%. So that means that there is still potential for bullish run, okay? Now, once it starts going towards this area, then of course, we are most likely in a bear market, in a bear season. So right here, you can see how these things have performed. So you can see here for Bitcoin, all the way from $104,000 to around $95,000. And Ethereum from $4,000, it hits almost $3,600, you know, right here. And it's beginning to pick up again. Then for XRP, this one is almost from $2.9 to $2.05. It went up to $2.05. So I'm sure a lot of people were taken out. But the thing here is that if you believe in a project, all right, just hold on to it, because there's always going to be this shake to shake people out of the market. So if you are trading on spot, so you need to be careful and move your funds away from the exchange as fast as possible. And if you're going to be trading leverage, then always use small amount of leverage, and always remember to take profit along the line. There's no crime in taking some profit. So once you keep taking some profit, when this type of days comes, you would not be so much affected, right? So you will still have some funds to dollar cost average to buy some and load your bag. So this type of things always happens, and it gives people more opportunity to buy into the market. All right, over $813 million were liquidated from the market in the past 60 minutes. And just before that post, we have $122 million liquidated from the crypto space. So this is why crypto space is very volatile. Like I said, a lot of people make money here, and also a lot of people lose money here. So if you're not careful, if you're on the wrong divide, you are definitely going to be burned. You will be surprised, even though you are in the bullish era, even though you are in the bullish trend, and you will still lose money as well. These are the type of things that can happen that will shake people out, and people are going to, you know, begin to fear, fraud, FOMO in, and all of those kind of things. So you can see right here, it is a red day. It is one of those bloody days when you have bloodbath. So it's not going to always be green every day. So here you can see we have more of red today. We have these ones, ETC 11.6% down, Argo 13.5%, Bonk 14.3%. It's only move here that is showing some kind of green with 18.4%. But remember, it has already gone down more than 15% prior to this time. So this is how the crypto space happens some of the times. Before now, we were almost at 95 here, showing that we're on altcoin season. But with the recent happenings in the past few days, we are back here to around 65 days, and it is saying that it is not altcoin season. So where there's this bias, there is this confusion if actually we are in the alt season or we are still in the Bitcoin season because of the recent happening with the markets. All right. So, but I still strongly believe that we are headed towards the alt season, and we're going to see more movements in the coming days to come. Usually in the early days of January, we would also experience more bull runs. Okay, that is from antecedent of what has happened in the past. 2021, that was what happened. 2017, when we had the bull run, that was exactly the same thing that happened. So it might likely happen like that again, or it will not happen. So there is no guarantee of why or where this market is going to go. However, amidst all these things that is happening, look at this post right here. MicroStrategy has acquired 21,550 BTC for $2.1 billion at 98,783 per Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy keeps buying Bitcoin despite all these moves. So that tells you that some of these corrections happens so that the big guys can actually have more bags to themselves. So if you're wise, then you should know that when there is bat blood like this, when there is bloodbath like this in the crypto space, it's usually an opportunity to stock up. It's usually an opportunity to buy more bags, and don't FOMO or don't entertain FOD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So to hold on to your coins are not really very easy. So you can see right here, people think buying and holding is easy, but don't understand how hard it is to hold with conviction. So it says H bar has almost 10x without big 50 to 60% dips, and people are still complaining. Hedera is a solid coin. Hodl it if you believe in it, and even better, buy the dips. So in my last video, I actually called out Hedera right here, and I told you guys that is also a coin that I have so much interest in that I'm actually buying up. So right here you can see that Hedera is now sitting around 28 cents. All right, so you can see some correction here that also happened, you know. So now you just need to follow the big guys where they are going. So that is one of the best ways, you know, to stay safe in this place. Go where the market is moving, follow the big guys in the decisions, and if they are making good profit, you'd also be making good profits. So guys, that's how I'm going to wrap up this. Let me know what you think, if the bullish trend is over, or if we're entering a bear market season, or if you think that the bull cycle is still at the beginning. Let me also know in the comments. And if you guys want to join my private crypto community where we share more in-depth knowledge to learn more about how to position yourself rightly in the crypto space and take better trades, then click in the first link in the description of this video and you'll be able to reach out to me. All right. And also, if you guys want to use the exchange that I currently use for my leverage trading, then just use Bitunix. I'm also going to drop the link in the description, and you're going to get up to 5,500 USDT in bonuses. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And until I come your way next time, keep winning the crypto space. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my subsequent videos.